Frequent pushback would be, we haven't had any incidents. So none of this stuff applies. Instead of getting into an awkward back and forth, though technically it didn't happen, but you need to do tests of your incident response capability. I think that's the next one down here somewhere. Yeah. 363. You need to test the capability. So my suggestion would be, if you're doing a tabletop test, you should go clearly label it as test, mark it up, do whatever to make it known it's clearly a test, not a real incident. Why not use the same tickets? Because then that at least gives me something to look at back on 362, where I need to say, determine if incidents are tracked, determine if incidents are documented. If the policy says you're supposed to track it in your ABC ticketing system, and you show me a test where you documented it in the ABC ticketing system, that becomes more persuasive than, well, we didn't have any incidents and the policy doesn't really clearly say, but we would definitely do it. Trust us.